In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best underwater drones in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which underwater drones is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Chasing F1 Underwater Drone. The F1 Fish Finder has robust detection. It can detect depths of up to 20 m. This fishing device allows users to quickly determine the temperature, depth, and bottom topography of surrounding water bodies. These functions are crucial for fish finders as they significantly impact where fish should be located. These factors can be used to determine the location of fish. Ultra 1080 HD camera and night view. The 1080 HD camera of F1 Fish Finder allows you to see the underwater view. All details can be displayed. This can enhance the viewing experience of real-time video playback. GPS Freely Movable Fish Finder. The F1 can be moved horizontally or omnidirectionally using the wireless control provided by the app. This makes it easier to locate fishing spots faster and more accurately. The GPS function of the fish finder supports multi-fishing points recording and automatic cruise between fishing spots. It also realizes the function to return with just one key, which prevents the loss of fishing equipment. Here is the item number 4, PowerVision Underwater Drone. Power Dolphin is a mobile fish finding tool that can extend your explorations on the water. 4K UHD camera available in multiple resolutions. 220 rotatable camera to see above or below the surface. One-button home function and self-righting flip capabilities offer ultimate remote-friendly experiences. Intelligent fishing and waypoint mapping functions. Wireless remote control range up to 0.5 miles. Power Dolphin, with the help of PowerSeeker, uses sonar technology for quick feedback on underwater topography to explore aquatic environments. The dual-joint rotating camera captures images and video above and below water. PowerVision's powerful Dolphin captures the beauty of life in 4K video and underwater contours. It also improves your fishing skills with intelligent fishing functions. The item number 3, Gladius Underwater Drone. For KUHD underwater photography, Mini can capture UHD footage in 1080p, 4K resolution, or 12MP resolution for photos. Combined with the f3.0 lens and 2x1200 lumens LED lights, you can experience real-time video from the mysterious underwater world. Game control maneuverability. The Mini underwater drone is equipped with a remote control that can control it to move, tilt up or down, adjust the LED brightness, speed up or slow down, and lock the depth. With the Chasing app, your phone can be controlled remotely like a gamepad. Exploring the ocean floor can be as fun and easy as playing a game. Adjustable tilt lock and depth lock, Gladius Mini has game control maneuverability with +45 dig flexible mode tilt lock, which allows for incredible access to underwater scenes at speeds of up to 4 knots. Intelligent control algorithms and one-touch depth lock mode allow you to navigate and hover at depth to capture what you want. Immersive underwater VR and live streaming Mini support virtual reality equipment to offer a breathtaking underwater VR experience. You can also view, share, and even copy live media on up to 3 wireless devices plus a big screen TV monitor equipped with an HDMI port. Fully portable, Gladius Mini weighs less than 5.5 pounds. The dimensions of the Gladius Mini are 8.9 inch * 15 inch. Mini can dive to a staggering 330 feet with a 100 rope. Number 2 in our list, PowerVision Underwater Drone. This innovative underwater drone is perfect for anyone who wishes to explore the underwater world for recreational or professional purposes. Deep diving, the PowerRay can dive as deep as 98 feet below the surface. The vehicle is connected to the PowerRay base station via a 230-foot waterproof tether. Camera, the 4K UHD camera is fully integrated and can shoot 12MP still photos. Burst mode can shoot up to 5 frames per minute. It comes with a 64GB SD card, depth range, 80m casting range, 100m. Advanced technology for PowerRay Wizard only. 1. Use the PowerSeeker Fishfinder sonar and magnetic bait drops to locate and drop bait anywhere. The PowerVision edition of VR glasses offers a new underwater experience, allowing you to see the world from a first-person perspective. The PowerRay Wizard can be used to explore the underwater world professionally. It comes with the PowerVision Edition Zeiss VR 1 Plus goggles, a 64GB card, and a 230-foot tether. The internal Wi-Fi system allows for data and images to be transmitted over distances of up to 265 feet. The top one in our list, Chasing DORY Underwater Drone. DORY is an excellent underwater photographer. DORY can dive to 49 feet with an HD camera and two 250 lumen headlights. DORY's 1080p f/1.6 cameras allow for real-time observation, shooting photos and video. DORY's color restoration algorithm ensures that photos and videos are dynamic in any condition. Portable for travel, the palm-sized DORY is the world's smallest and smartest underwater drone. It measures just 9 inch x 7, 4x 6, and weighs less than 2.5 lb. Explore the sea like a game. DORY is very easy to use, plug, plunge, and play. With the Chasingo 2 app, you can remotely control the underwater drone to move forward and backward, tilt up or down, lock the depth, and even tilt up or down. Exploring the ocean floor is fun and easy as a game. Enjoy the party. DORY's dual mode allows you to operate the underwater drone with a camera with a friend or relative. Plus, the Chasingo 2 app makes it quick and straightforward to share live streaming or underwater videos on Facebook, Instagram, or any other social media platform. Freedom to explore deep-sea. DORY connects with a small floating Wi-Fi buoy with a 49-foot cable and streams live 720p video below the surface to your device. You can also stream it on social media. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best underwater drones amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.